Hello. When the concerns of relatives gradually fades, the sound world only reverberates with blank noise. Make your voice louder. I can't hear you clearly. Helpless, worried, suffering. Wireless hearing aid. Return to clarity. Restore the beauty of life. Adaptive noise reduction. Matching multiple scenarios. Quickly filter noise. 127 decibels maximum output sound. Both moderate and severe hearing loss are applicable. Contains high-definition digital chips. Sound is stable and faster. Ergonomic. It doesn't hurt to wear it for a long time. Low battery automatic alarm. Magnetic charging. Long-lasting battery life. May he regain his voice. Thank you for the gift you gave me. It's very nice. Send a love that is audible.